Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your LG air conditioner with your phone. To begin, ensure your LG air conditioner is powered on and within range of your home Wi-Fi network. You will need your smartphone and access to your home's stable Wi-Fi network, preferably operating on the 2.4 GHz frequency. Having these key items ready will ensure a smooth and quick connection process for you today. This initial check prevents common issues, saving you valuable time. Once you have your LG air conditioner ready, the next step is downloading the LG ThinQ application. Search for LG ThinQ in your smartphone's app store, then simply download and install it. If you're new, create a free account using your email and a secure password. Existing users can quickly log in, allowing you to proceed directly to adding your device. Now that you are logged into the ThinQ app, it is time to connect your air conditioner. Look for the Add Product button, often a plus sign, and tap it. From the list of options, select Air Conditioner. The app will then guide you through preparing your specific model for pairing, which usually involves pressing and holding a button on your AC remote for about 3 to 5 seconds. At this stage, your air conditioner will broadcast a temporary Wi-Fi network. The app will instruct you to connect your phone to this network through your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Once connected, switch back to the ThinQ app and input your regular home Wi-Fi network name and password. The app will then work to securely link your air conditioner to your home network, typically taking less than 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.